लेट्स टेक नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। आप लिखिए व्हाट इज सॉल्युबिलिटी, व्हाट इज सॉल्युबिलिटी, solubility in moles per liter of ferric hydroxide in a solution having pH equal to 8. pH equal to 8. Given the KSP of ferric hydroxide 10 to power minus 36. Given the KSP value of ferric hydroxide 10 to power minus 36 in proper units. Question here, what is solubility in moles per liter of ferric hydroxide in a solution having pH equal to 8? For the salt ferric hydroxide, the value of KSP is given to 10 to power minus 36. Okay, try this question yourself. हो गया इसका आंसर. Now coming on solution part. In solving this question, we write expression first. हमारा basic rule same है. Write the reaction first of ferric hydroxide in solution with ferric ions plus OH negative ions. If for the salt solubility is x moles per liter, we get how much ferric ions? X only. And OH ion in solution already given to you. Already OH negative ion in solution given to you. If I take solubility of salt is x, total OH is given. I'm not writing as 3x because already solution में pH दिया है 8. तो pH 8 का मीनिंग क्या होता है? Solution आपका बेसिक हुआ. pH 8 means solution में pH more than 7. pH more than 7 means solution is basic. When solution is basic, then we find pOH 6. pOH 6 means solution of how much OH negative ions? Concentration 10 to power minus 6 molar. So in solution the concentration of OH negative is this much. Now for the salt, what is KSP expression? Concentration of ferric ions into concentration of OH negative cube. Concentration of OH negative cube. In this solution we can dissolve how much ferric ions? आपको वो निकालना है खाली. ऐसे क्वेश्चन में आपको क्या निकालना है कि व्हाट इज कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ फेरिक आयंस इन द सॉल्यूशन. अगर आपको OH नेगेटिव इतना दिया है तो जो भी आपका कंसंट्रेशन निकालोगे किसका? फेरिक आयंस का. व्हाटएवर यू गेट कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ फेरिक आयंस इट इज सेम एज द सॉल्युबिलिटी ऑफ द सॉल्ट. तो कितना है KSP का वैल्यू? 10 टू पावर माइनस 36. फेरिक आयंस आपको निकालना है into concentration of OH negative कितना है? 10 to power minus 6 का cube. Solving we get concentration of ferric ions is equal to how much? 10 to power minus कितना आ जाएगा? 18 moles per liter. It is same as the answer of the solubility of salt. So in such kind of question when they give you find the solution solubility, salt solubility in pH, solution of pH this, pH that. So means you are given one kind of concentration of one of the ion. You are given the concentration of one of the ion. आपको निकालना क्या है इसमें? Concentration of second ion. The concentration of second ion will be taken as solubility. The concentration of second ion will be taken as the solubility of salt. I hope it is clear. We take next kind of question on mixing of solutions. Prediction कि whether they form PPT or not form PPT, कि whether the PPT formation will take place or will not take place. तो क्या होता है? Prediction of precipitation. इसमें अब condition क्या आपका है कि a salt can form solubility product only when ionic product is more than KSP. कि for the precipitation the essential condition is that कि for the salt the solubility product should be ionic product should be more than solubility product. ठीक है. Let us take in some examples of some questions on this topic, prediction of precipitation on mixing of different solutions. Right, first question लिख लीजिए. ठीक है. Predict in which of the following cases predict in which of the following cases precipitation will take place. Predict in which of the following cases precipitation take place on mixing equal volumes of solutions containing having, आपका फर्स्ट पार्ट दिया है A bit 10 to power minus 3 molar concentration of calcium plus 2 ions. We are mixing to the second solution containing 10 to power minus 4 molar concentration of F negative ions. Bit B आपको दिया है 2 into 10 to power minus 4 molar calcium plus 2 ions and second solution 10 power minus 4 molar F negative ions. Bit C लिखा है इसमें 2 into 10 to power minus 4 molar calcium plus 2 ions mixing solution 2 into 10 to power minus 4 molar F negative ions. Bit D लिखा है 2 into 10 to power minus 4 molar calcium plus 2 ions mixing it second solution of 4 into 10 to power minus 4 molar F negative ions. We are given 4 options or 4 parts of this question. Can you find the answer on mixing equal volumes? आपको क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है और डेटा दिया है? Given the KSP of CaF2 is given 4 into 10 to power minus 12 and cube is given to you. It is given. For the salt KSP is given of calcium fluoride 4 into 10 to power minus 12. Read the question carefully, then find the answer yourself. Let's come on solution part. यहाँ पर क्या है कि what the answer? Can you guess? You check your answer yourself. Tick yourself. A is correct or not correct? हो गया आपने guess कर लिया? तो in how many case PPT is forming? क्या आंसर बता रहा है? ACD. चलिए चेक करते हैं इसको. In solving this question हम क्या करेंगे? देखिए आपको हर एक केस को सेपरेट निकालना पड़ेगा. PPT कब बनता है? PPT can form only when ionic product is more than solubility product. KSP फिक्स है. किसी भी सॉल्ट के लिए KSP का वैल्यू कांस्टेंट होता है. आपको क्या निकालना पड़ेगा इसमें? आयनिक प्रोडक्ट. तो लेट अस टेक इन फर्स्ट बिट A. हाउ टू फाइंड कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ कैल्शियम प्लस 2 मिक्सिंग. देखिए मिक्स में क्या किया हमने? इक्वल वॉल्यूम्स. तो आफ्टर मिक्सिंग व्हाट इज कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ कैल्शियम प्लस 2 आयंस? मोलैरिटी ऑफ कैल्शियम प्लस 2 आयंस इनटू वॉल्यूम बाय टोटल वॉल्यूम. On mixing equal volume, total volume is doubled. That's how much? 10 power minus 3 by 2 molar. Similarly, what is concentration of F negative ions? 10 to power minus 4 into volume V by total volume 2V. That give how much? 10 power minus 4 by 2 molar. Now in this case we find ionic product. कितना आएगा इसमें? एक्सप्रेशन क्या है? We have discussed many questions right now. So concentration of calcium plus 2 ions into F negative square. That's the expression of ionic product in first case. What is concentration of calcium plus 2 ion? 10 to power minus 3 by 2 into 10 to power minus 4 by 2 का square. That is something 10 to power minus 11 by 8. Or this ionic product is coming on solving 1.25 into 10 to power minus कितना आएगा? 12. आपने चेक किया? Concentration of calcium plus 2 into F minus square on mixing equal volumes. बच्चे गलती करते हैं इस पॉइंट के ऊपर है. On mixing equal volume, what happens? The total volume will be double. On mixing equal volume क्या हुआ? The total volume is double. So what happened to concentration of ions become half. बच्चे इसको नहीं सोचते हैं. इसको अपने सोचेंगे, आंसर कैनॉट कम करेक्टली. तो क्या आएगा इसमें? ये हमारा हुआ आयनिक प्रोडक्ट, यहाँ पे क्या है KSP ये फिक्स है, तो दिस आयनिक प्रोडक्ट इज लोअर देन KSP means no precipitation take place in first bit. So in first bit PPT will not form. In second bit, what is ionic product? Now we can write directly what is calcium plus 2 ions, 2 into 10 to power minus 4 by 2 कर देंगे. F कितना दिया है 4 10 power minus 4 by 2, ये कितना आएगा, सॉरी स्क्वायर करो उसमें, तो आएगा 1, तो 10 to power minus 4 minus 12 by 4, तो 10 to power minus 4 minus 12 by 4 means it is again less than KSP, तो no PPT will form. Bit C similarly, what is ionic product? In bit B, no precipitation. Bit C में कितना आपका आएगा? If I directly calculate here, by 2 करने पे कितना आएगा? 10 to power minus 4 into 10 to power minus 4 का square, that become 10 to power minus 12, which is again less than KSP. तो no PPT will form. समझ आ रहा क्या? By 2 कितना हुआ? 10 to power minus 4. यहाँ भी क्या by 2? 10 to power minus 4 का square, that is 10 to power minus 8 into 10 to power minus 4 कितना हुआ? 10 to power minus 12, which is less than KSP. No PPT will form. अब D में आते हैं, बनेगा PPT D में? चेक कर लेते हैं. यहाँ कितने का by 2 करने पर 10 to power minus 4 into by 2 क्या है? तो 2 into 10 to power minus 4 का square. In this case, if I write bit D, in bit D कितना है आपका ionic product? 2 into 10 to power minus 4 का by 2, 4 into 10 to power minus 4 का divided by 2 का square किया, कितना हुआ ये? 2 2 4 means 4 रहेगा इसमें, 4 into 10 to power minus 12, it is equal to KSP. It is equal to KSP. हमने क्या बोला? PPT कब बनता है? Only when ionic product is more than KSP. Remember, PPT will form only and only when ionic product exceeds solubility product. यहाँ पर क्या है? Ionic product equal to KSP. यहाँ पर क्या था? केस 1 to ABC में ionic product is less than KSP. So what happen? PPT यहाँ बनेगा नहीं बनेगा? नहीं बनेगा. No PPT will form. What is answer now? None of these. Means grace? No. Just be careful. This question is given to you for understanding, to make you understand that in any case, for precipitation, the most important condition is that the ionic product should be more than solubility product. If ionic product is lower than solubility product or even equal to solubility product, precipitation will not take place. Precipitation cannot take place. तो only when IP more. इसी में क्या हुआ? सब में तीनों में क्या है? In ABC, IP is lower than KSP, no PPT form. In case bit D, IP is equal to KSP, तो again no PPT will form. I hope it is clear. So in solving such questions, you have just find the ionic product. In the question, KSP will be given to you. Use that information for finding or predicting the salt's precipitation. Okay? Okay, write next question on the same concept. लिखिए question next. Radon. Equal volumes of 0.02 molar. Sorry, equal volumes of 0.002 molar. 0.002 molar. Solution of sodium iodate. Solution of sodium iodate. NaIO3. Solution of sodium iodate NaIO3 and cupric chlorate and cupric chlorate and cupric chlorate. What is cupric chlorate? ClO3 whole twice. It is cupric chlorate. Cupric chlorate are mixed together. When it lead to precipitation of copper chlorate? Will it lead to precipitation of copper iodate? Lead to precipitation of copper iodate. Given the Ksp of copper iodate, it is CuIO3 whole twice. Copper iodate का दिया है 7.4 into 10 to power minus 8. That's the question given. Ksp given of copper iodate is 7.4 into 10 to power minus 8. Question दिया है equal volumes are mixed together. Solution है same concentration 0.002 molar NaIO3 and copper chlorate same. Question पूछा है will precipitation occur of copper iodate? Ksp आपको दिया है इस question में. Now try this question yourself. हो गया? Now let us come on answer. To form this, देखिए आपका salt क्या है? Copper iodate CuIO3 whole twice. Can give in solution Cu plus 2 ion plus 2 IO3 minus. In this case, what can be ionic product? Concentration of Cu plus 2 ion into IO3 negative plus square. It is expression of the ionic product. Ksp is given to you. देखिए क्या लिखा है? On mixing equal volumes. On mixing equal volumes, total volume become double. Total volume become double. So what is concentration of IO3 negative ions from this salt? From NaIO3 we find concentration of IO3 negative ions. So what is concentration of IO3 negative ions? Molarity 0.002 into volume V by total volume is 2V. So 10 power minus 3, because 1 mole can give 1 mole. 1 mole of NaIO3 will give 1 mole of IO3 negative ions. 1 mole give 1 mole of IO3 negative ions. So concentration of IO3 negative कितना आएगा? Same 10 to power minus 3. अगला आते हैं copper chlorate, cupric chlorate CuClO3 whole twice can give 1 mole of Cu plus 2 ions plus 2 moles of chlorate ions. So if it is how much concentration taken? 0.002. कितना देगा इसमें? 2 into 0.002 moles per liter separate. Now what is mixing concentration of chlorate ions कितना आएगा solution में? 2 into 0.002 total volume 2V means डबल अप हो जाएगा वॉल्यूम, तो कितना आएगा? हाफ कर दो उसको, तो 0.002 मोलर. The concentration of chlorate ions in solution will be 0.002 molar. From here what is ionic product? Concentration of Cu plus 2 ions. Sorry, you don't require this. We need concentration of Cu plus 2 ions. वो कितना आएगा इसमें? by 2 कर देंगे इसमें. See, we need concentration of Cu plus 2 ions. It is 0.002 molar. कितना देगा इसमें? Same 0.002 molar. by 2 करने पे आएगा concentration of Cu plus 2 ions. On mixing total volume will be double. So it is 10 to power minus 3 molar here also. NaIO3 can supply IO3 negative ions and Cu copper chlorate will supply in the reaction Cu plus 2 ions. Now we find the concentration of ionic product. Cu plus 2 is how much? 10 to power minus 3. What is IO3 negative? 10 to power minus 3 का square कितना हो जाएगा? 10 to power minus 9. It is lower than Ksp. That means no precipitation occurs is your answer. No precipitation will take place. Okay. चलिए एक क्वेश्चन और इस टॉपिक पे ऑन प्रेसिपिटेशन प्रिडिक्शन. राइट डाउन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन लिखिए. A solution has magnesium plus 2 ion concentration 0.001 molar. Solution है magnesium plus 2 ion concentration 0.001 molar moles per liter. Full stop. Will a precipitate of magnesium hydroxide be obtained will a precipitate of magnesium hydroxide be obtained in a solution having OH negative ions concentration पार्ट 1 आपको दिया है 10 to power minus 5 moles per liter. पार्ट बी दिया है 10 to power minus 3 moles per liter. It is OH ion concentration. Having OH ion concentration. Part A 10 to power minus 5 moles per liter. Part B 10 to power minus 3 moles per liter. Given the KSP of magnesium hydroxide, it is given to 1.2 into 10 to power minus 11. KSP is given of magnesium hydroxide 1.2 into 10 to power minus 11 moles per liter power 3 in the question given to you. Now you solve this question yourself. हो गया. Now to solve this question हम क्या करेंगे. इसमें दो सेपरेट केस हैं. पहला केस में हम क्या करते हैं. केस ए में आपको दिया है concentration of magnesium ions. तो what is expression of ionic product of magnesium hydroxide. Concentration of magnesium plus 2 ions into OH negative concentration square. What is magnesium plus 2 ions? 0.001. OH दिया है 10 to power minus 5 का स्क्वायर कितना होगा. It is 10 to power minus 3 minus 13. 10 to power minus 13. It is lower than KSP. So no precipitation take place. In first case, the ionic product is lower than solubility product. The ionic product is lower than KSP. PPT will not form. समझ में आ रहा है. इक्वेशन कैसे लिखेंगे. 1 mole of magnesium hydroxide can give 1 mole of magnesium ions and 2 moles of OH negative ions. So concentration of magnesium ions इतना है, इतना OH का concentration है. Then similarly second part. In second bit कितना पाएगा ionic product. Concentration of again magnesium ions into OH square. कितना दिया magnesium ions 10 to power minus 3. What is OH negative ion 10 to power minus 3 का square. So it is 10 to power minus 9. On solving it is 10 to power minus 9. कितना दिया है KSP का value 1.2 into 10 to power minus 11. Now this ionic product is more then KSP, so precipitation will take place. What is your answer in this next question? Will a PPT form or not? What's the answer? Yes. In first case, what the answer? No. Yes का meaning क्या है? Yes, the PPT will form. I hope it is clear. That is elementary questions, the quite common questions given almost all entrance regarding on mixing solution. Sometimes I given equal volume based questions. Sometimes they can give different volumes. Mixing 100 ml solution this molarity, second solution volume 200 ml of this molarity. तो हमारा एम क्या होना चाहिए इस क्वेश्चन में. आपको निकालना क्या है इस केस में. आयनिक प्रोडक्ट. तो क्या निकालना पड़ेगा. जो आयंस इन्वॉल्व है उस सॉल्युबिलिटी वाले सॉल्ट के लिए आपको निकालना है उस आयंस का कंसंट्रेशन. कैसे निकालेंगे. उस आयन का कंसंट्रेशन आप निकालेंगे इनटू वॉल्यूम ऑफ दैट सॉल्यूशन बाय टोटल वॉल्यूम. बाय टोटल वॉल्यूम कैन गिव द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ दैट आयन इन मिक्सचर. फ्रॉम द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ आयन इन मिक्सचर हम क्या निकाल पाएंगे उसका आयनिक प्रोडक्ट. KSP फिक्स होता है, किसी भी सॉल्ट के लिए KSP का वैल्यू कांस्टेंट है। तो आफ्टर कैलकुलेशन ऑफ KSP हम क्या निकालेंगे उसके बाद, सॉरी आफ्टर कैलकुलेशन ऑफ आयनिक प्रोडक्ट हम कंपेयर करते हैं आयनिक प्रोडक्ट की वैल्यू को KSP के वैल्यू के साथ। अगर IP आपका बड़ा है KSP से तब PPT बनता है, अदरवाइज PPT विल नॉट फॉर्म। आई होप इट इज क्लियर दिस पॉइंट। चलिए, सो राइट नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इन सॉलिबिलिटी एंड सॉलिबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस। रैंडमली क्वेश्चन लिखिए, कैलकुलेट सॉलिबिलिटी ऑफ PbI2, कैलकुलेट सॉलिबिलिटी ऑफ PbI2 given the solubility product is given here 1.4 into 10 to power minus 8. For this KSP given 1.4 into 10 to power minus 8 in water which is 90% dissociated, question is calculate solubility of lead iodide PbI2 for which KSP is given 1.4 into 10 to power minus 8 in water. We have temperature 25 degrees Celsius when it is 90% dissociated. Okay, try this question yourself. Now to solve this question, we write the expression here for the salt dissociation. PbI2 when dissolved in solution क्या देगा आपको? It can give in solution lead plus 2 ions aqueous plus 2 I negative ions aqueous. But in this case, what is given to you? Salt is 90% dissociated. This term is given here. Meaning, if solubility is X, we cannot write here X and 2X. Like if we take concentration taken like C, we write C and 2C type, but we cannot write here X and 2X. How much we write here? 90% means 0.9 into X. If solubility can be taken again for the salt, let solubilities X moles per liter. But in this case, how much is given solubility salt? It is 90% dissociated. Means if you write here it is how much? 0.9x. If solubility is x moles per liter, the concentration taken of lead plus 2 ions in solution is 0.9x, and it is 2 into 0.9x. We write x and 2x. Now since salt is 90% dissociated, हम क्या लिखेंगे इसमें? 0.9x. यहाँ पे डबल 2 into 0.9x. KSP will remain constant. KSP expression given क्या है? KSP concentration lead plus 2 ions into I minus square. तो कितना दिया है concentration of lead plus 2 ions? 0.9x into 2 into 0.9, that's 1.8x का square is equal to KSP 1.4 into 10 to power minus 8. On solving from here, on solving this expression for the salt solubility is x, we can calculate. Okay, for the salt solubility is x, we can calculate. On solving, your answer should come, x should be coming. आप निकाल लीजिए इसका आंसर है x is your answer should come 1.6 into 10 to power minus 3. It is answer given to you. आप चेक कर लीजिए निकाल के कि आपका इतना आंसर आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है, इतना आपको आना चाहिए. ठीक है. So this point we can use only in those cases where salt is given कि it is dissociated this much percentage. Okay, so in that kind of case we write expression like alpha, C into 1 minus alpha to C alpha 2C alpha type expressions where C can be taken molarity. Here concentration I'm writing as x moles per liter. So what can be concentration of lead plus 2 ions? 0.9x. I negative ions double of 0.9x. Expression of KSP will be same. Concentration of lead plus 2 ion into I negative concentration square. And on solving we get the solubility of salt. Are you clear? Fine.